Wongerereku wa family iria ciururaga tauni-ini ni utumite wonjoria ucoke na thi matauni-ini kumana na uhaguku wa ugitiri, undu uria utumite gikundi kiria kirubuyanagia na ciana ici oro undu umwe na thirikari cia county kuuga nimekuoya namba ya family ici na guthugunda uria mangihĩrio matauni-ini.
We have so many complaints from the street that wananchi they are getting nuisances on the street. Children are begging them. Streets are blocked. Shops are blocked because of these street families.
Hao watoto chokora wanasumbua wamama kuwaibia masimu. Wakati unaenda kupaki ngali katika stage, hao wanaleta shida, wanakuwa mambo mengi sana.
Kuhitukira kigena gia ciana kiria kiheanagwo ni ruhonge rwa urumwe wa mabururi nikio UN, gikundi giki ni kiugite kiri na mubango wa guteithiriria amwe a family ici kwigwatira githomo niguo mahote kwirugamirira.
Fund is supporting institutions and organizations that will help county governments and other governments to take children away from the streets. So we are really trying to see that in a short while we can finish this problem and we see better towns with children being in the right places and not just loitering.
Mubango uyu ukite orire thirikari ya kaunti ya Naikuru kuhitukira ruhonge rwa mbeu njithi ithondekete kamiti ya mwanya ya guteithiriria kweheria family ici tauni-ini no.
We decided to move them from the street. Took them, passed them through the court for court to give us orders where to keep them. We managed to get several children home which has partnered with us as a measure to rehabilitate them and give them care.
Kamiti no igukorwo ikirutithania wira na ruhonge rwa ugitiri niguo gucaria kuria ciana ici ciumite gukirikana nyingi ciacio ciumite nja wa tauni ino. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, njĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadurwa.